Hello, how are you? This is Joel, and in this video we are going to talk about pricing, right? Pricing and how we actually using our pricing methods. So hopefully this leaves a little more clear, like the how we can put the schedule, how many classes do we need, how people can combine the combo packages, etc. Just to start it, we have in our case we have only salsa in our school, but I will use an example. Let's say that you're using salsa and bachata, and as well we are going to use two prices, which is going to be the regular 4 cycle classes and also the combo package. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you again how we using it in our school, and also if we were teaching bachata, how we'll approach to that. Okay, so in order to do that and to explain it to you, I'm going to use my tablet. So just let me just share my screen right now. And this is pretty much, let's say that we have this part right here. Let's say that we have salsa and bachata. You can see salsa is level 1, 2, and 3, and bachata is level 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I have two prices. So let's say, for example, in our case, we teach hour and a half. So this example is for teaching only 1 hour. Okay, so in 1 hour, I just want to see how much is the less that I want to charge per class. So for example, just for this example, I'm gonna use $20 for one class if you take the 4 classes, right? Or $18 if you take 8 classes. Very simple math. So I'm going to use the $20 class for the 4 class package again, and it's gonna be a 1 hour class, right? So we have right here is 1 hour class, $20 per class, or 1 hour class for 8 classes. So this is 8 classes, no 18. So let me just clear this part right here. And this is $18. This is $18 per class, right? So $18 per class, they give me the combo. This is what we're gonna call, this one is the combo package. Okay, so now let's say that people wants to buy one level, right? They want to start learning how to dance salsa. They will come right here. They will pay this package right here. They will pay $79 to take these 4 classes. If they want to take two, let's say that they want to take salsa 1 and bachata 1, instead paying 79 and 79, they can just pay 145 right here. So they will have the combo package. So this way they can take level 1 salsa and level 1 bachata. This is one example. Another way to see it is, for example, if I have on salsa, let's say that salsa I teach Wednesdays and Saturdays. I'm sorry for the letters. Let me do this again. Let's say that we have Wednesdays and Saturday classes. I have level 1 on Wednesday and Saturday. They can use the combo as well. If they can come on Wednesday and Saturday, and still they will pay the 145. So it's going to be 145 if they come for these 2 days, right? That's another way that they use the combo. So pretty much in simple words, they can use the combo package for 2 classes as long as they take it during the same cycle. The expiration is 30 days. They cannot pass it to the next month. They have to take the classes for the next level. So if somebody wants to come level 2 and level 2, for example, right here, level 2 and level 2, if they for some reason they cannot make one of the classes, they can take one of the previous levels or lower level, either for bachata or for salsa, depending what they take or what they are taking. So that way they can use that credit that they have. But if it's any other days, that's it. We cannot, we at least in our school, we don't transfer those classes for the next months. So that's why you're paying cheaper, because you have to take those 8 classes on the same 30 days. Okay, so if for some reason, this is another thing that people ask me, what happened if I have this bachata and salsa, right? A lot of people, they start thinking, oh, what about you take 3 classes, and what about you take unlimited, and what about you take this and why? So you ending with prices and prices and prices, and for people it's just very confused, right? Just make it simple for them. Just keep two prices for now, okay? So you can start with one price for 4 classes and the second price for the combo package. For example, in our case right now, as we speak, but remember, we have classes of hour and a half, okay? Just keep an eye on that. So right now we have, we charge 130 for 4 classes, or we charge 170 for 8 classes. But again, please consider that is hour and a half. So we put the price, right, per day, multiply by 6 hours in this case, because it's 4 hours, but in reality there are 6 hours. So try to make the numbers by hour. It will be a lot easier to make your calculations. So this 130 and 179, as you notice, is only $49 difference. So it's a big discount, right? So literally, if they instead buying two for 260, right? If they buy two packages of 130, it will be 260. They save $81, right? $81. So it's a super deal. But again, they have to take the 8 classes during the same cycle. They are not transferable. They cannot pass it to a friend. They cannot use it like that. They have to take the classes on the 8 weeks. And this is pretty much like the one of the requirements in order to get the 8 classes, right? They have to take it on the same level. So I hope that this make it a little bit clear. Try to keep less prices. Just give them 2 options. You don't have to go with that many options. For level 1, level 2, level 3 salsa, level 1, level 2, 3 bachata, you have both, and just keep it simple. So the idea is to fill these parts right here. The idea is to fill these classes with people, right? So this one has to be full in order to start thinking to talk, or to start thinking more and more and more and more classes, and they are like pretty much empty. All of these are empty. And then you just thinking that probably bringing more people to empty classes is going to give you more revenue. Number one, join an empty class is not really as inspired that actually have a full class with people that everybody can start creating a community, everybody start talking to each other. So it's just all these, instead of having 3, why you just don't open only one that is full? Once you have this one full, now you can start thinking on open another one, right? That you can actually just duplicate, copy paste right here, and you can just full this one as well, right? Instead creating many classes on different schedules, and then you end in just having so many classes that they are not full. Okay, so I hope that this makes sense, and just I want to continue doing these videos. Please let me know your thoughts, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, take care and have a good day. Bye bye.